of Turkey is a transcontinental country located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. It spans across the Anatolian Peninsula in Western Asia and a small portion of southeastern Europe, making it a unique blend of cultural influences from both continents. With a rich history that dates back thousands of years, Turkey is a captivating destination that offers a diverse range of experiences. One of Turkey's most iconic cities is Istanbul, which straddles the Bosphorus Strait and serves as a bridge between Europe and Asia. Istanbul is renowned for its stunning architecture, historical landmarks, and vibrant atmosphere. The Hagia Sophia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a testament to the city's Byzantine past, while the Blue Mosque and Topkapi Palace showcase the grandeur of the Ottoman Empire. The bustling Grand Bazaar, with its labyrinthine streets and vibrant market stalls, offers an immersive shopping experience. Beyond Istanbul, Turkey is home to a multitude of historical and cultural treasures. The ancient city of Ephesus, with its remarkably preserved ruins, provides a glimpse into the Roman era. The ethereal landscape of Cappadocia, characterized by its unique rock formations and cave dwellings, is a sight to behold. Pamukkale, famous for its terraces of white mineral-rich travertine, offers visitors the opportunity to relax in thermal waters while surrounded by stunning natural beauty. Turkey's natural landscapes are diverse and breathtaking. From the pristine beaches along the turquoise coast to the rugged beauty of the Taurus Mountains, the country offers a range of outdoor activities and adventures. The Lishan Way, a long-distance hiking trail, winds its way along the stunning coastline, offering panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea. The surreal landscapes of the fairy chimneys in Cappadocia are perfect for hot air balloon rides, providing a unique perspective on the region's beauty. Turkish cuisine is renowned worldwide for its flavors and variety. From kebabs and mezes to baklava and Turkish tea, the country's culinary delights are a reflection of its rich cultural heritage. The streets are lined with small eateries and bustling food markets, where visitors can indulge in a diverse array of flavors and aromas. Hospitality holds great importance in Turkish culture, and visitors are often welcomed with warmth and generosity. The Turkish people are known for their friendliness and willingness to share their traditions and customs. Traditional folk dances, such as the energetic and vibrant Holi, showcase the country's vibrant cultural tapestry. Turkey's transportation infrastructure is well developed, making it easy to explore the country. Istanbul's international airports serve as major travel hubs, while domestic flights and buses connect various regions. The country's extensive railway network allows for scenic journeys across different landscapes. Turkey is a captivating country that seamlessly blends its rich history, diverse landscapes, and vibrant culture. From the bustling streets of Istanbul to the tranquil shores of the Mediterranean, Turkey offers a tapestry of experiences that will enchant any visitor. With its welcoming people, culinary delights, and stunning natural beauty, Turkey stands as a remarkable destination that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more video.